This is a test to see how well the sound is. I've been doing a screencast during class, so this is the Arbor press, and I want to focus on the browser here and watch what I can do. I take the end apart and I drag it up all the way to the first extrusion, and you can see that the extrusion I did is just a rectangular prism that matches sort of the super set or enclosure of this entire structure, 3.5 by 1 by 2.885. That's what this is. And if I come down one more, I did an extrusion over here. And what that is, if I can find it, let's do this. It's just the chamfer, it's not a chamfer, it's an extrusion. Let's take a look at its size. So it's just a triangle on the corner here, making sure that these lines are coincident with the edge, and 0.69 and 1. And I just did a cut extrusion there, so it disappeared. And if I come down one more, you can see that I made a work plane right in the middle. And I did that because I wanted to mirror this feature to the other side over here. And you can see there it is right there, using the mirror feature. And once I had that, I turned the visibility of that off. And let me bring work plane down. I did an extrusion over here, and I just made sure that it was centered in the middle. There's the sketch. 1.015 wide by 1 inch deep. Okay. Did another extrusion back here. Its sketch was a little more complicated, but there it is. And finally, I made a hole over there. It's a blind hole. And then I made a hole over there, which is also a blind hole. And finally, I chamfered the 6 edges, which are over here like so. And at the end of the day, I got a volume of 7.794. And the thing about this is that it's symmetric. So some of the dimensions here are a little funky. For example, this dimension of this and this don't really match if you follow these exactly. I just made sure everything was symmetric about the center of the feature. And so that's what I got. Thanks for watching.